Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in today's session, we will be discussing about creating a table in HTML. So let's start. First of all, you have to open Notepad like this. In the Notepad, you have to write coding for creating a table. Let us create a table using the table tag. Students, here I am using table tag for creating a table in the HTML. After using this, I have used another tag. This is caption tag. We have to use caption tag when we want to add captions in the table. Next tag, it is called HR tag. Sorry, next tag is TR tag. TR tag is used to create a row in a table. So TR stands for table row. Next tag which I have used here, this is TH tag. TH, it is used to set the heading of the table. In the table we are taking these headings: roll number, name, grade and gender. So these headings we will define with the help of TH tag. Next we have to enter the table data now in this table. For this we have to use TD tag, as TD tag is used to insert data into cells. So we have to use here TD tag. In between the TD tag, we have to mention the data. As first heading we have taken here roll number, so we have to assign roll numbers under this. Here first of all I have taken roll number 1. Next heading it was name, so in between the TD tags you have to mention the name of the student, as I have mentioned here, Ramdi. Next heading it was grade, in which you have to input the grade of a student. So here I have inputted B grade with the help of TD tag. I already told you TD tag, it is used to insert data into the cells. We have used here heading gender, in which we have to tell male or female. So here I have filled the data in it. F stands for female and M stands for male. So in this way we have to insert data into the cells by using TD tag. Next, in the program we have entered another roll number 2, another student's name Tegbir, another grade and another description about the gender. So in this way, after typing the whole coding, in the last you have to close the TR tag. After that you have to close the table tag. After that, in the next step you have to close the body tag, and in the last you have to stop this program by writing here /HTML, which tag is used for closing this program. After writing this program, go to file menu, choose save as option. Here you have to enter the name of the file name, and you have to add the extension HTML. I have already saved this program, so I don't need to save it again and again. I am going to show you now. After typing here file name in the file name box, then you will be clicking on the save button for saving this HTML code. Next, you have to go to now the desktop. In the desktop you will see that this web page, it has been saved. Now right click on the name table, go to open with option and click on the browser name Google Chrome. Select this web browser Google Chrome. Within few minutes you will see the output of this HTML coding. See, have on the screen carefully now. Here this table has been created with the headings roll number, name, grade and gender. The table data which we have entered, just 2 students name we have entered, so the data related to these 2 students, it has been displayed here in this table. So students, I hope you have learned properly how you can create a table in HTML. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have liked it, then just subscribe my channel and share it also. Thank you so much.